I gotta check if we're even streaming right now. I think I have this here. Yeah. Well, that was fun. But, alright. Well, I don't know how to get this background image thing to work. Pretty sure someone would have. Oh, does it have to be prefaced with data? I don't think so. I think so. Maybe. Let's see. I don't think so. But. It is a possibility. Oh, come on. Wait a second. Yeah. Let's see. If I save this here, inspect it, and oh, I forgot to get rid of this. As written, the browser support of adder notation on CSS properties other than content like background image is very limited. Combining URL and adder is not valid. Can't do that. Hence, there is no cross-browser CSS solution at the moment. And this is 2014. So adder is just kind of deprecated. Because this is what we do. I wish this would work, but I think it's not going to. Let's do the background image, the style one. Nope. Come on. You got it. And then please create a class. I'm just gonna do that. And then we'll just do a var here. Will that work? Look, it did not work. Better. Gotta surround it with quotes. It did work. Alright, never mind. was so tempted to just kind of create this in CSS, but the thing doesn't work well. Like my library doesn't work well, so at the manually you couldn't add these. What we can do is add the you can just do this, right? Image. The background image equals URL. Oh, wait. I think I can do a URL inside a... What? Nope, that does not work. That is because it didn't render properly? Come on. Whatever. Image -1. We'll do this. We'll create a background image of... I don't have to do this. And then we're going to copy this. Put it between there. And then we can do that image -1. What am I doing? Do I have to do URL too? Well. Now it's because of getting overridden by this one right here. Alright. There you go. It works. Let's go. We're gonna make this into a hash, because this ensures that it won't, when we copy it, it doesn't do anything. We'll go 2, 3, 4, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we'll go find some cool images in a bit. Alright. And we can get that done. Now we just we'll get the slider stuff here. And we need a key tag. And then okay, so anything that dot slider, any direct text, because everything's going to be a text. I think you just do like this text show. I remember using that. Is that... Does that work? That'd be cool if it did. It does. Alright, There you go. Stroke. I feel like I'm having a stroke. Let's do this black right now. Is that not? Easy, sir. Okay, okay. Yeah, get out of here. Okay, stroke color. I want a black stroke that's 1 pixel wide. But... Okay, so when we look at our Figma file here, you can see that our text has an outline, just so like any kind of images that have white, you can clearly see it's kind of ADA. Hoping this would work. It works here. Come on. What am I doing? What am I doing? Well, text stroke color. If I... okay. How... I did a stroke of 1 pixel. Where's the stroke? Stroke, oh my god. Yeah, it's 1 pixel. So we'll end up using this color for color. And then the font size is 12. No. 12 point. Wait. There you go. Is it? Oh, I use interbot there. But what if we did the inital? Enter. So if I that, and we're going to get rid of that. Alright, so that's, I think, good enough. Hate it. I just hate it. Why? It's like... Alright, let me preview. I also never got DevTools. We use enter there, so I feel like we need it to be a bit bigger. Oh, to be fair, I am looking at it pretty close up. So if we kind of look at it from afar, it is pretty, pretty disgusting. So if you do that, and we do, I really want to kind of like use this notation. And so that's the and star. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Alright. Everything should be a font size of 900. Or font weight, sorry. The paragraph should only be 1M. There you go. Each slider should have a max width of like 500 pixels. With a border radius of like 10 pixels. Where did I get it? Where is the border radius? The corner radius. What is it? Where my corner is at? It's not 10 pixels, it's bigger than that. There you go. Alright, the border color. I need my cappuccino. We're going to do black for now. I need my cappuccino thingamajig. Give me my palette. We're gonna latte frappe. I will come back another day to kind of fix this. I just want to get it all down. But haven't had the time to like fix what I'm doing. We want a border radius of. Oh, I'm only selecting the frame. That's kind of why it's doing that. Is it hungry frame? It's a weight of 3. Quarter radius, please. It is a stroke of 3. Angle has it. Oh, it's 18. I was close. It's not 20, it's 18. Go. Border. How do you get border? Is it size? Radius? No, it's not radius. It is border width. What? You lied to me. Why is it doing this? Alright. I also don't see the border color. Or is it in there? Okay. Am I just not doing the border color right? Let's see. Is it because it's an image? Just do this. Honestly, dude. This is a 3 pixel. Alright, so now I kind of have the border radius. Background, image, cover. We want it contain no repeat. Or is it? Yeah, I think we want this one right here. That's the wrong one. So, okay, let's go to slider. We're not going to work on JavaScript right now. Ooh. There you go. Yeah. That works out really well. And we want a height of. We want everything to have the same height. So we want a height of 3 pixels. Because if we can get the pixel ratio here. So it's a 250 by 600, I would say. Ooh. I feel like it doesn't fit. What the? We'll fix that in a bit, but kind of like. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna grab. Oh wait, that's because it's the wrong dimensions. Pixel. There you go. Oh, that makes this a little less. I don't really like the stroke. Right? And this is not 12 point, by the way. I'm just gonna be real. This is probably like 0.75. I'm just gonna be real. I think that's what it is. That one. Can't really see it. Like this, inital. I gotta move the camera again. It's kind of like in the wrong place. Let's see. Well, I can put that right there. Right, so, I know what it is. Side. Order stroke fill. I think that is what we want. So now we're getting a stroke of 1. So now we kind of want a bigger stroke now. There you go. It's looking a little better. What kind of stroke do I have here? I have a weight 1, but it doesn't kind of look. This is a 3. There you go. I think I have a stroke of 3 on here, where the weight is kind of. I don't know how that works. But okay, so and we want to change the @ sign. So if it's, I want to add a dot tag. So if we have a dot tag, we want it before, and we want a content equals @ sign. Please. Yeah. Okay. So what we're doing is we're kind of injecting this @ space here, so we don't have to do that. Oh man. Which will kind of allow us to move our tag to where we want. But we're gonna want to do a justify content. So we're just gonna do a div here with a dot place. It doesn't matter. Actually, I don't even think we need a class there. A card title. And instead of being any direct relation, we'll do that. And that will fix that right there. So cool. So what the arrow sign does is it means that it's a direct relationship, whereas when I have the kind of space, it just means that it's any child. If I were to do a comma, that just means a new selector. So yeah, so kind of like helps out with that. And what we can do now is we can say use display flex, and we do a flex direction of column. But because we can do that, we can just I'm gonna move this away from the card spider. We can just do a display flex again, and we can say, and that should fix that. Justify content center. Not that. A line item center. And then we kind of want all the items to be the same. I kind of like using the star over anything else. See this more. So let's see, what do I use for the font size? I think it's 1.5 in. We'll try it. And we'll go that. Ooh, where's the air? What? Oh, I forgot to put my phone right here. Alright, so that's the same. Now we can kind of space the gap between location and country by using gap. And say like a 5-pixel gap. I'm gonna fix this real quick. So everything's justified center, and then we can align justify self to be left for the tag. So we go to that. Oh, no, we don't want justify. Align them center. Actually, yeah, and justify center. Because we want to base this out using no, we want to use padding. I want to avoid margin collapse, so I'm going to use padding. But so we'll align center, and then if the anything with the direct relationship has a dot tag. Kind of want to align self to right. Oh, it's not right, it's end. Sorry. There you go. And we'll add padding so it'll fix itself in the end. And then we want to justify ourselves to the end. Alright. We want to make this ooh. So we'll do a padding of 10 pixels. Appropriate. And then we'll see the new title card. Margin. It's top I think 40 pixels and then 0. The gap didn't work though. I didn't do gap. Gap. Pixels. There you go, yeah. So we want to gap to like 10. Like that. There you go. So we have location. I think 40 pixel might be a little too much. Let's do like 35. There you go. Oh man. I mean, you're. Oh, did it really? I'm having microphone issues, so let's see. That's so sad. So this is gonna be very quiet, but is this better? I don't know. The way I'm having to route my mic, it kind of, all the sound kind of gets lost. So I have to boost the gain. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm just fixing the mic. Now let's go back to the terminal. Once I click the browser, it should switch over. Yeah, I found out that Windows does weird things when you kind of route peripherals over the network. So I'm having to like boost so many things, and it kind of sounds weird. I do all my mic stuff over on my main computer, so. But yeah, thank you for helping me figure that out. Something I wouldn't figure out on my own. So yeah, the So what I'm trying to do here is trying to just make this sit down here. I tried to do justify self end. See if that actually is how it works. It should, maybe I need to do block end. Oh, flex end maybe? Be the best. Alright, so should have changed. So I think I need to add a justify to this content. I say justify content. Center might be the best here, and then have it all figure it out, self out, or space between is the best here. So that kind of adds that. We can adjust this padding here. So if I scroll over flex here, kind of see how that has that gap. That's kind of something I don't want, but I add a margin B on this title card. So I can probably get rid of that margin and end up fixing that. But we don't want to get rid of the margin top, so I think I need to do something like that. And that won't really make a difference, so if I think the second one's the bottom one. If we go over tab card, ooh, it doesn't affect it. I'm not fixed on it.
I choose to think positively, no matter what's going on around me. I have a great life, and will continue to have a great life. Every breath I inhale, I feel confident.
Let's see, overflow keywords. Positioning, so kind of want some positioning. I think maybe self end might be good here then. We tried end, it doesn't work. Flex end doesn't work either. It kind of just gives a like a weird error. Like a for your information. Let's do end here. And start here. So now the slider this should be flex start. It's not. And this we just do end here. It doesn't work out all that well, huh? Display, try setting display on property.
The future is good.
But come here. Have to let my dog in and out. Oh, okay. So what this is saying, that display flex property is affecting it and not allowing it to arrange itself. So Where's this air? We can do we'll just end up getting rid of that then. So what we're trying to get is trying to get it so it's designed this way. Right now we're designing this kind of like a big portion here, and then we'll go over to the smaller ones. And the smaller ones, I just have to orientate the text to be vertical and display hidden the rest. So actually, I should probably be do a link and a has. Already fixed it. So if it has dash slider dash show, we do that. If it is the dot slider and it not, it doesn't have dot show on. We do the regular text. Right, and then that's when we all hide it. So that all we have to do is add a class to it. I don't know why it's giving me the error. And it kind of disappearing. Start value has mixed support. Serious flex start. Oh, okay, yeah. I guess that makes sense. That kind of... We'll just get rid of it. Oh, that's not because of that. It's because of, our pug doesn't have the dots. The dot show. There you go. And then we can do a flex start there. Cool. What? Just running in circles, dude. Alright, so this feels like it should be like a justify content split between, and then kind of like fix it from there. But if we do that, it would be more like that. I don't think I'm pretty... Well, we can kind of push down the... Oh, we can do this. So... Space between. And that kind of like adjusts it so it is in its kind of like right purview. But if it now do push this one up. So instead of having a margin bottom, we have 0 on the bottom. And like 70 on top. Kind of shift it to where we want it, so kind of like a 65. The font size needs to be bigger. For sure. And that is about like 35. Yeah, that's about there. And it's about good there too. Our tag is align self, and can't do it because of how do I align to bottom of Flexbox? All right, have a good one. Flexbox. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. Justify content. Push following elements to the bottom. Push it to the bottom. Okay, so it kind of like push everything else but the thing. Alternative, you can make the... Oh, okay, yeah. Make it grow. I guess I gotta get used to... We'll do something like that. Yeah, if it has, it should grow. And we can do a margin top auto. Let's see if that works. Does align it. Maybe I gotta flip it. Also we need to I can target the center text, and that's gonna be another padding. There you go. A bit better. This needs to be a font size of 2M, preferably. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Like more like a 1.75 pen. Oh, I adjust. So this right here is wrong then. Oh, this is a different stroke than I have on the text. Oh, I double it. Okay. Do 6 pixels. This is
Our ship of the imagination carries us to that ultimate frontier. We view the cosmos on the grandest of scales. The majesty of the galaxies is revealed by science.
Alright, I don't know why that's like that. Why is this not changing the stroke? Come on. I know what I want to do. There you go. I was trying to apply it twice, I guess. That's a little too much. We'll do like a 5 to C. Maybe a 4. There you go. Yeah, that's about right. Okay. And I think the author tag's a little too high. Yeah, because we're oh, and yeah, we're pushing that down too. So we just need a padding of top padding on this content. 0. We just want the side. I don't think this I think this should be more flex. I kind of just get rid of this right here. Alright, there you go. This is also wrong. There you go. I like how that looks. And guarantees that text there. How's the flex? Thing is, I can't really guarantee the bottom. I think we should at least ensure. Yeah. What if it's a big? I think. Oh, maybe mic set to. We'll cap it up here, so I can turn that up for the microphone. Let's work on the other sliders. So if it's not showing, we want to anything that is not a H3 you want to hide. So if I take this off, that should hide everything but the H3. Oh, I did it again. Oh. I need to do and. What is? Oh. Me. These main inner slider. These are just hidden. Why is this hidden then? Oh. So I hide the... Oh wait, no, we can... We hide everything else. And then we want to hide the title. And div. Not... It's just the H2, right? Alright, now we want the H3. So we're hiding the H3 now. Or we want to operate on the H3. A vertical tag. That's what I want. Is this because the text orientation or the writing mode? I did not mean to switch it. Okay, so I think the text orientation is with that. And we still... It is writing mode. Okay. Good to know. We'll do this. So we'll copy that. And now it should be good. Yes. Alright, so the width should be 71. It's a text align center. And we want to do the same border radius as everything else. And the height is the same as. We want to just a dot slider one. I don't end up having to copy that everywhere. Alright, so we got that going. You don't need to do that or that anymore. So need this there. This is standard for everyone. Yeah. So we have our text center. Hey, is it doing that? Oh, padding, margin 0. Or padding 0. We're just gonna do this right here. Come on. There you go. And that. Alright, hopefully that aligns everything to center. Good. Why is there a top margin? Oh, okay. Oops, dude. I did this styling as I'm gonna move this over. This is in the way of the stream. I did this styling as so what we as like part of the bigger one. So what we need is that. Oops, copy everything and. Do the and syntax again. Do that And that way we can just kind of copy paste. And we can be like, hey, this is gonna be, I expect for everything now, because I expect some things to maintain similarities, such as the font size, gap. Don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. That. And we can justify content to be center as well. Which I think the height needs to be 100%. There you go, yeah. Okay, so the height has to be 100% because it's not like filling up that whole space. I tried to not do that, but if we do auto, yeah, it has to be 100%. It has to be maintain that whole space. But if I untoggle text, we should see the border radius and everything. Country. And goes with everything. So it works out well. I don't want a header for this. And we don't need the bottom footer. So we can get rid of this too. Work from main. I'm not using the script functionality, so I don't need that. That really well. Alright, let's go back to our Figma. So it is a little thicker than, I don't think I have font weight. Yeah, okay. I don't want there's a dog barking. Where's my H3 at? We kind of want the font weight to be pretty thick as well. Why is it not? Block text, please help. I forget. So you just kind of want to pipe it. Alright, I can do that. Oh wait, this is all one line. Yeah, I don't... I mean, it's a string. Either 0 or 4 spaces. Oh, so it's just kind of Code Pen messing stuff up. Alright, so this should be the same amount. I don't get what this error is. Nope. It is probably not something I'm going to be worth looking into. Oh, I can use pug as my variables and kind of like change it throughout this one. Well.
I'm so sorry. I don't even know what to say. I'm humiliated.
Yeah, because I have to manually add it anyway, so it doesn't matter. It does, because that forms. So what I can probably do is... Oh, no, come on. Each and the value. And I probably just grab different data structures. So what I can do is kind of like, ooh, but it kind of doesn't work. I have to like make it into a line. That's so annoying. I don't think Pug has that. Oh, but Wait, is that how you do the data types? Yeah, okay. This doesn't work out well. Nope, it doesn't work. Nope, it doesn't work out well. I tried. Didn't work. What we're just gonna do is do this. Wait, the air didn't come back until after I deleted all the footers and stuff, right? Gonna get back until get it. Alright, there you go. So, alright, oh, they even fixed that. Okay. That works out well. So we do something like this. Oh, I gotta do the container. There you go. And then we do a gap of 5 pixels. There you go. We're just gonna do this. How do I... Yeah. There you go, format HTML. Okay, I think that works out well. Oh, right. We just need to... We have it on insert. Yeah. There you go. so align item center. And I'm gonna do a height of 100%. Because let the container take the whole thing. Enter. Okay. Nope. Nope. I was curious. I don't know what that would do. It's line items. Okay, what are you not doing? Body, main. Yeah, so we want the container to be height. There you go. Alright. We're gonna have to act. I was like, what's that noise? Alright. So I think we're gonna have to add a data attribute where we're gonna have to do something like that. Which means I need to change it'll be over. Figma right now. We're into JavaScript. And there you go. There you go. Alright, so instead of dot show, it's gonna be that way we don't have to do the as whatever, right? Instead, we can do something like this, which is true. All right. Sweet. So now if I get all the sliders We need to for let slider of sliders. We do a dot add event listener. That way, when we click it, slider dot dataset dot toggle equals true. Okay, so now we can open all these up. Okay, so now we can open them up, but now we need to store this. So what we'll do 0 is... Oh. We'll do, yeah, we'll do 0 if currently off. We'll just do this. So the first one's true. We need the index. We can just kind of... Oh, can't do that. We can do that entries. Okay, so it does work. Okay, we can get entries. So node or lists kind of have weird, like, experience with that. So I need, where is it? It's indexed and value. Why are you airing? Expected token. Oh, I forgot to There you go. All right, so but if the currently open equal index, we kind of just return it. Otherwise, we want to close the currently opened index and then open the new one. So toggled all. Alright, so once this loads, like, I can click around that pretty easily, and then if I click there, oh, What's an illegal break statement? Oh, because it's inside of, oh, we can just return then. Alright, so I forgot I was inside a function. So we can close it and we ooh. Oh, we forgot to set the currently opened. And we don't need this. There you go. Alright, so let's let it refresh. Or not. So we click on this, it opens. Click on this. So it's preserving its width without any issues. We can highlight, do all that, no problem. Over here, clicking. Oh, yeah, it works really well. Now we just need to populate the data and that's it. So let's pull up our VS Code. We do pull that out. So the first one, I need my images.js. Okay, so this one's Poland. And this is who tag. All right, so we did 3. This one's Germany. Winterberg. And artist size is the person who did this. Scroll down to the artist size. Okay, so 5. So Indonesia. I know I have to fix something here, but I need to get the information in order to continue. We have an overflow issue. Well, we might not. Okay. We have 6, so we have Canada. This is Quebec City. I see. I got all these images from oh wait, Google. You just locked my phone. I got all these images from Unsplash, so one of the things they tell you to do is, oh, it's just substantial. Just whatever. Sequential. Why am I struggling? Sequential. What is this?
Sequential.
Sequential. Okay. And this is by Raphael. Come on. I was doing something there. I want to another Indonesia one. It's a beautiful country. So I manually picked this up. It took me several hours to find these images. I'm not done. I need to find some like textured images. One for photography, but another for oh, we didn't run into any issues. That's cool. Another kind of for kind of have backgrounds and stuff, so it's not as plain. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so gonna have this here. This should probably be a link. We'll get that in a second. And yeah, the information's kind of updating. Ooh, we're having some overflow issues. That's kind of cool, but I don't want that to happen. So we want to make the font smaller when we overflow, but let's do the links first. It'll be better use of things. Instead of that, we can do tag, which does that. And then, okay, so for example, where are you? Right there. And there will be a lot more, but why can I click it? I mean, well, let me inspect. Still a paragraph, but I have it. Did I not save it? Oh, the wrong one. Yeah, and it's not even working anyways. So we also need to add a and dash a. That and a up that one wrong. Change it to, there you go. Is it by the same person? No. So, it'll look like that. You can middle click that and it'll go to the page. And we want to make color this color. Nope. And then I think on hover we want to change it. So we'll end up doing something like -a hover and add a text decoration. That way Oh no, it should have an underline already, so. How do I change the underline? It knows me so well. Text decoration thickness. Right. But 2 pixels. Right? Underline. Yeah. And let's say 4 pixels. Oh, we need to change the color. Text decoration color. This needs to be the font color. That's why it's no color. Yeah. And it's on the wrong one. There you go. And it will refuse your connection. But if you middle click it, then it'll work. I kind of want this needs to reload. Please. There you go. So now we just need to change all the links there. Highlight and interact it with it pretty well. Ooh. I think this needs to be the title needs to be pushed up a bit. I think it should be 20. In my opinion. I think it'll look better. Why is it not? Flex. Oh, I'm adding a padding to it as well. Yeah. I think that looks good. So that kind of fills the whole thing. It does, huh? I want the height to fit content. There you go. So now that it makes a little bit more sense to like. Alright. We had to make the height fit the content because then we can add the gaps back in. So cool. That means that if there's like more text here and stuff, that'll be fine. I think actually I feel comfortable. It doesn't change much, but it gives us an assurance that we won't have like any weird text issues if this text will overflow eventually. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that kind of pushes it down though. We'll do that. We'll do that though. That's fine. So cool. Let's go and fix all these links now. And we'll just kind of temporarily do this. If we're going to temporarily do it, then we'll just tag. Go. You know, this is just to ensure that all people get the attributes that they deserve. So, for example, Articide. It's theirs. Seemed like they had posted a lot, which was kind of crazy. I had to like steer away from them for a while. Like, okay, a little too much of you. You get. I had a bit of duplicates on too. Right? Oh, we've got to. I must have skipped over you. It's closing, and then I may see where you go. Go. Okay, and then Raphael. And then I don't know how to pronounce that. Alright, there you go. Alright, they should all now have, let's check artist. Okay. Alright, they're all linked up now. Now for the font size. Now for font size, I mean, you have to like do according to container. Adjust font size to fit container. I guess that's not really all that well. Doing container. They all do like fill, right? Yeah, I guess that works too. It seems dumb. well, let's just scale it down until it fits then. It's still pretty big. Alright, so that fits pretty well. We want to do a flux wrap of wrap. Low frame. Oh, how do text? I think it's just none. How do you word wrap? Could be somewhere like here. W. Yeah, let's just make it smaller. It's not doing that. Alright, there you go. So we can fit this right here. Push is still considered. But I want to change the font on the tile card now that it's like this. So in this section right here. And I think also in this section we're going to do X word spacing. Yeah, it's word spacing. Minus 0.4 characters. Pixels. Okay, reload frame. Okay, what is that? Well, that was the word spacing, I guess. That's fine. Huh, I like it. It works out really well. Works really well against the white too because of the text decoration. Yeah, really cool. All right, so this is pretty much what we ended up doing. I'm happy with that. I think, yeah, there can be tweaks, and we could resize the font, but it doesn't really. I think a better way to do this would kind of figure out how to like stack things if it grows too big. So I think it's more of a we have to go back to the drawing board. But for how it is, I don't think anything it would matter too much. Like, I think that actually that would have to do. Text decoration outline. It's fine. I think it's fine. It's there, and there's other ways of interacting with it. I think it's good. I think a way we could like you can make this a little better is working on accessibility and stuff. So yeah, I think there's still work to do, but I think it's in a state where it's like we hit the 80%, right? 80%, and then what I mean by that is usually most of the work that like most progress and most of the work that you get done is done within the 80%, and then the last 20% is like fine details. Like for example, this could be better. I don't know if it's like if you like keyboard navigate to it, you should be able to like highlight these things and stuff. So all the accessibility stuff needs to be done, but yeah, no, other than that, it's kind of like it looks good. So yeah, I think next time I'll come a little bit more prepared. We had a catastrophic failure happen too. We're streaming at 30 FPS. But yeah, besides that, I think next time we'll try to do the whole thing from design to completion. I'll look into more. I was hoping to get some stuff done, but this took a couple hours. And I'll partly just because all the little like code things that I would typically use to get like all this done is it kind of failed. If I actually I can't show you. I also get like dev tools integrated. I don't have a good way to doing that right now. Because it like it's just kind of weird. So let's figure out that. So yeah, no stream on Thursday, unfortunately, but and that, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully better. Bye bye.